to Drunk Old Man Making Games. I am the Drunk Old Man, and this might be the game. If I can make it go. I'm going to build it, because the tweaky... It's just looking awful at the moment, so I'm asking Claude if there's anything I'm missing, because I am pretty dumb. So I'm hoping that that actually it's just I've misunderstood something. But we shall see, we shall see, we shall see. In the meantime, I should probably make this go. I should probably make that silent, and I should probably turn that on its side so I can see myself. And there we are. So hopefully you'll be able to see the game in a second. Let's see. Oh, no. Where the hell is it? Oh, there it is. It is made with Unity. It's made with Unity and love. So this is where we currently are. The pink lines are debug. I mean, obviously everything's debug. This is not what it will finally look like. But it is getting there, I think. I don't know, I think it's looking quite nice, really. I mean, what do you think? I mean, I've got my new Discord, which I want people to sort of engage with and like have ideas. So I'm going to put a chat. I mean, at the moment it's very it's a nascent Discord, but it's kind of looking okay, isn't it? I don't know. So anyway, yeah, that's basically it. We'll probably come back to this. Bloink. Oh, Couts, hello, nice to see you. Not that I'm stalking you or anything. Why is it not working? It's really upsetting me quite a lot, actually. It's so slow and nasty. Look, observe. If I do the normal sort of debug, it's janky as all hell. Janky banky. Oh, come on. What's it doing? Come on. Yeah, look how janky it is. I mean, what the hell's doing jank? So I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to bring the profile over and just check that I am actually right about my theory, because maybe I'm not, maybe I'm just being mad. So, come on, what's this about? So that seems a big number. Is that a big number? That's quite a big number. That's quite a really big number. That's a huge number. 67 is a lot of number. I mean, it's entirely the editor loop. I mean, what does that mean? Why? Close the profile window. Oh. Okay. Gizmos off in the game view. Okay. Stats overlay off once you're done reading it. I don't know what any of these things mean. Okay, no, I mean, I think it's Alright, what was your first suggestion, Mr. Claude? Close the profile window. Oh. Well, okay. Close the profile window. And profiler toggle off. Where's the profiler toggle? That's gone. Stats. Alright, so is this going to be any better? No, it's still pretty horrible. What is going on? It's so frustrating. What have I done wrong? No. Okay. I may or may not be watching the football. Don't tell anyone. Well, I don't know. I mean, I turned that off. I'll turn this off. That's not there. That's off. That's on. These are good. Alright, close that. Close that. Clear the thingy bob. Collapse. Alright, fine. Alright, I'm determined to see if this is just close profile window. Yes. What's profiler toggle off? Oh, piss off. Oh god, I hope I'm not using a ridiculous model for this. I am. Please switch recording off by the guy. Oh, okay, fine. Deselect everything before pressing slay. Yeah, nothing. Good. I think I might have another beer. It's getting quite hot in here. It's on. It is on. No, this is still awful. I mean, what the actual hell? No, it's still a total mess. I mean, it really is awful though. Even with all your advice, my computer's just not good enough. I mean, it really looks horrible. Oh, it's fine in the build, but it just makes playtesting almost impossible in that mode, which is deeply unhelpful. Editor play mode becomes a tool. Well, yes. I have no idea. I don't know what my thingy GPU bibble bobble is. Not there, non-bread. I mean, no one wants to see that. Da 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 da. I don't know anything about my bloody computer. It is apparently. Oh, I've got a terabyte of storage. I didn't know that. 3.30 gigahertz. Ryzen 9. 32G RAM and 8G graphics card. I mean, it shouldn't be that bad. It really shouldn't. Ugh. Well, this is very boring. Edit preferences general. Edit preferences general. Edit preferences general. Why is everything so slow? Editor default. Blah 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 blah. I don't know what any of that means. Is that good? Did it just? I reckon it made it up. I think that's one of the things it just made up. No, I don't want to. I don't want to though. It's rubbish. Check if editor play. Can't find. Oh, God, what a ball ache. Oh dear. I don't know. I bother sometimes. You're very opinionated today. Oh, God, fine. I'm bored of you, Claude. I will actually just ask the internet. Unity 6 editor play mode really slow. Okay. Well, let's see if this is useful. Okay, well, fine. Enable G-Sync GINK compatible. I mean, if this works, I'll eat my hat, but let's see. Do I even have NVIDIA? No, I don't. I've got AMD anyway, so there you go. Well, bollocks. Well, that doesn't help, does it? That doesn't help. The profiler says it's editor loop. Oh, God, why is everything always so boring? Yeah, no, that's what I'd find. If you switch the profile style from play mode to editor. Well, you didn't tell me that, did you, Claude? Alright, let's try that. How do I do the profiler? Oh, I don't know. How do I start the profiler? I am so very confused as usual. Stats. Open profiler. Play mode. Well, what's that mean? Okay. What? I don't know what I'm doing. I never know what I'm doing. Right, let's see if this does things. Well, come on, people. I mean, usually I have to beg people not to distract me, but today I'm being left the hell alone, I tell you. Is that enough information? Oh, God, really? Pause it. Oh my God, why is everything so stupid all the time? Oh, why does nothing work ever? Oh God, it's so frustrating. It's so frustrating. Oh God. Am I being stupid? While I'm doing this, you're looking at nothing. I know it's very boring. Oh God. Can I? No? Goodness me, I don't know. I do not know what the hell I'm doing. I want to know what the hell is going on. Oh, hey, accounts. Yeah, no, it's pretty standard, isn't it, really? So the play mode editor loop. Oh, God almighty. Why is that now disappeared? What? Oh, what are you doing? This is really getting on my nerves. I mean, it's just deeply irritating. The whole thing is deeply irritating. Why is all those things? I used to have the nice things here. I liked the nice things. Timeline, great. Hierarchy, great. Oh, you're so irritating. I just want to see what the editor's doing. Oh, God almighty. Oh, so annoying. Anyway, how are you? I haven't broken it. It's just, well, I probably have broken it, but I don't know if I. How about that? No idea. I don't think so, but that's absolutely no guarantee. Like, it used to have the thingies here. There used to be thingies. I could see things. And now for some reason I cannot see thingies. Maybe I need to run it again? I don't bloody know. Alright, come on. Off you go. Binky bonky, binky bonky. Good, excellent. Now over here. Oh, now! Oh, there it is. Why is it now over there? What's going on? I don't understand. I don't understand. Somehow that's actually made it better, annoyingly. Oh, God, I don't know. I really don't know. Oh, let's see what's in the editor loop. Its application idle seems to be taking up most of its time. I mean, how does that make any sense? Oh, it's so frustrating. God, it's frustrating. I mean, it's just so frustrating. Right, editor loop. Application idle. No. Oh, I don't know. Oh, well, I don't know. I don't think it is Windows because the problem is, I think it's bloody thingy-me-bob. I think it's what's it called? Unity. There we go. Got there eventually. I know words. Oh, I don't know. I think it's because it's being stupid, but I could be wrong. I mean, I do fully admit that I am often wrong. I mean, this is worse than it was. It's much worse than it was. I mean, this is now almost unusable. Why is this so nasty? Nasty. Oh my god, it's so nasty. Okay, well, I'm going to do a real build to check that it's not that horrible, because that would imply I'd done something very, very wrong. Alright. Well, that seems absolutely fine. So what's your problem here, matey poo? And there is... I don't know what's going on. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba. Yeah, that's nice and smooth. Smooth as a cashmere codpiece. Yeah, no issues here. That's exactly what I would expect. So for some reason it is just when it's in the play mode. God, this is boring even by my standards. Oh, that was fun though. Uh-oh, have I got distracted by playing my game again? This often happens. I enjoy playing this game too much. I mean, it's a very simple game, but it's quite addictive in a way. Whoop-ah. Come on, you stupid thing. Whoops, 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 whoops. Oh, I missed it. I'm a fool. Oh well, anyway. No, naughty. One day I'm going to have to work out what the hell's going on here, because it really is getting on my nipples. My big hairy nipples. Ah. Yeah, fine. But I'm not, am I? So, for some reason... But why can't I pause this? Oh god, it's so frustrating. Flip mode. So, there, I got a thing. Select a frame from the chart above to see its... Well, I would love to. What are you telling me? What are you telling me? Is that good or bad? I don't even know. Why can't I set a frame up here? Oh, I can. Select highlights, scripts. Top markers in frame. Profiler module dot update seems to be the main problem. God, this is boring. So, is this good? Profiler module dot, which is of course the profiler. This is lunacy. This whole thing is absolute lunacy. It's so frustrating. Oh god, it's frustrating. I do not have words to express how frustrating the whole thing is. So now how do I stop it? Oh god, that just stop it. Stop. Oh, that does stop it. Okay, great. So now you can stop, and now I come here and find one that's nasty. It's nasty. Oh my god, it's so nasty. It's so nasty. Oh god, it's so nasty. Right, now. Aha! Aha ha ha! Right. GFX device 3D12, wait for GPU. I couldn't leave it alone. Oh, why? What do you mean? Oh no, just copy those words. Why is everything so annoying? Oh my god, I want to kill. I mean, I really do occasionally just kind of feel that kind of urge to go completely postal, you know? I mean, you know, in a kind of fun, good-natured way. You know, like I'd only take out some bad people. No good people. No? No? Oh. Alright, there it is. Hmm. God, you kind of think that you'd be able to select some buttons. Oh, there we go. I see. Mm-hmm. Oh, I might have another beer though, you know? I mean, at the end of the day, if you're not having a beer, you're probably doing it wrong. Oh, I'm also not watching the football, which is also doing it wrong. I can't be bothered to do that. It looks really stressful. Okay, maybe I can do that. Okay. Project pass, minus C. Alright, I will do that. Fine. Fine, let's see. Not that I'm happy about this, but let's see. Alright, that died. Is that more football? How do I run a thingy, Bob? Oh god, really? Oh my god, maybe that's not the way to do it. Maybe that's the way to do it. Command, and listen here. Maybe that's going to do it. It's so frustrating. Why can't you just get me the things right? Or is like just copy? Oh my god. Oh my god. Copy. Why? Oh god. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh. Yeah, just do it. Thank you. Thank you. Amsterdam was unexpected at this time. I was unexpecting it. Right, well, thank God that's worked. Did you just kick his own teammate in the face? I think everything's not working today. Everything hates me. It saddens me enormously. Gosh, excuse me. I think I definitely need another beer. Is it really already 3:30 in the morning? I think it is. Alarming. Right, is that loaded? Right, good. Well, that's great. So, I am pleased that I seem to be getting the hang of this nonsense. Kind of slowly but surely. Well, that certainly feels a lot better. Oh, it's better, but it's still shit. Editor mode. Edit mode. Edit mode. Edit mode. Edit mode. Edit mode. Edit mode. Is this better? I don't think it is better. Well, the CPU is having an absolute nervous breakdown, but definitely seems better other than that. Come on. There's one. Oh. Seems a bit better. Definitely better to look at. And while the profiler is still complaining about CPU all the time, the GPU issue seems to have significantly reduced. Latest its worst offender now seems to be. Let's go! Let's go! It's me, it's you, it's us. Now my entire evening has once again been totally derailed by the nonsense that is. I mean, at least Fox isn't here, because when that's it. That's when it's all over. When Fox turns up, any sense of sanity and the chances of me actually doing any work become precisely zero. On the other hand, do I really care? No, I do not. Is that what I come for? Yes, it is. Is it all just an excuse to drink beer in public? Absolutely. How are you, you lovely people? Oh my goodness me! I've got a crew. What? You put a cat on a leash? That is dangerous. That is dangerous behaviour. You can end up with no eyes if you put a cat on a leash. Okay, fine. Okay, yay! Okay, command line. I've actually managed to fix something. Edit project settings, player, other settings, rendering. Edit project settings. Oh god, player settings. Was it player settings? Oh, I'm already bored. Other settings. Buttons. Do this one. Is it this one? This one? No, not that one. What did you want to say? Graphic, rendering, player, other settings, rendering, graphics APIs to Windows. Is this a thing? I can't do that. Oh, fuck off. Why can't I change it? Why can't I change it? Oh, God. Oh, God. Yeah. Leash, collar. Yeah, we get that, I think. Right, I'm going to the toilet and I'm going to get myself a beer and then I'm going to throw my computer out the window because I think that's a perfectly reasonable solution. Oh my god. I just killed my keyboard. I'm not losing it. This is a perfectly rational decision. Look, why? What? Oh, is it because it's... Oh, maybe because it's running. Maybe because it's running. Maybe because it's running. I can work this out. I'm a clever person. It's going to be fine. Yes! Yes! No! No! Yes! No! Yes! Okay. Maybe. I think. Don't be like that. Don't take the piss out of an old man having a nervous breakdown. It's not nice. It's not big and it's not clever. Oh. Question of the day. Have I lost it? I think that's a reasonable question of the day. Other question of the day is, can I actually see your various bits and your bobs? The answer of the day, probably not. Now look here, people. Everyone's being mean to me. You, Couts, you're taking the piss out of me. Saying I've already lost it. I haven't lost it. Throwing my computer out the window is a perfectly reasonable response. And, you know, the people below will just have to hope that it doesn't hit them. Perfectly reasonable. It's fine. Stupid. Oh, yes. Is that it? Do I press that button? Do I do that? Is that now right? Is that good? Is that good? Is that good? Does that work? Am I gonna have... This is very exciting. Oh my god, yes! I fixed a problem. Yeah, look at this. You see? I mean, it's still a bit slow, but that's okay. And now I close this, get rid of the stats, close the profiler, and apparently, according to my friend Claude, I should have a nice smooth experience. Oh, actually, that is a nice smooth experience. I've fixed an infrastructural problem. I have problems with infrastructural problems because I have anger issues and I have a tendency to throw my computer out the window. So, like, when it's my own fault, I'm quite calm. Like, when I'm being an idiot, I can live with that. And I can even live with Claude being an idiot because Claude is essentially an extension of myself. But I do really have a problem with things not just working. So, like, why Unity chooses not to work sometimes does seem rather like they've cocked up. I mean, I've had to change something really esoteric and weird. And now it kind of works. That seems, to me, you know, that seems unfair. But anyway, doesn't matter. Here we find ourselves. So, bear with me a second. Build profiles. Build and run. So I got to rebuild it. Smells job to us. It's part of the job description. It's just a paid troll. You're paid? Oh, talking of which, I may or may not have mentioned it. I'm not sure because it's not like I'm proud or anything. But I'm now a thingamabob. So yeah, an affiliate, which means I think most importantly, this now looks awful. Oh, now this looks worse. Oh, God. Oh, no, I can't bear it. Why does this look so bad? Oh, God, why? Oh, God, why? What on earth is going on? Oh, no. What? Okay, that's actually... Am I getting, but I want to get paid. Can someone pay me? Somehow, it looks better on my screen than it does on my screen. Like, it literally looks better after it's been parsed by YouTube's. I mean, not YouTube, Twitch's. Oh, whatever. Fuck it. Look. I'm sure it'll be fine at some point. Maybe. I think I need to lie down after all that. Look, screw it. It'll be fine. Look. Today I'm on Leo beer, right? Leo beer is not Singer beer, for those of you that don't know about Thai beer. So, I am now an affiliate. Now, I believe this means that I can have a button that when I get to choose to do adverts. Is this true? Because it would mean that I can actually do the adverts when I go to the loo, rather than them just sort of coming at you randomly. Is this true, or am I misunderstanding? I mean, like, with great power comes great responsibility. I'm actually an affiliate, Ghost. I know, it's almost unbelievable, isn't it? When you send it to me, Couts. When you send it to me. What, for you being a mod for an affiliate? Do I have to Well, it's because I haven't set up the payment business yet. So this is my question, right? Like, because I don't really want them to get my details unless it's actually going to benefit me in any way. Because at the moment I'm just pretending, I'm just lying. I mean, not dangerously, but I haven't given them my real date of birth or anything. But they want me to actually show them my passport and all sorts of stuff, which I don't really love, but I will if it's going to make my life better. So the question is, will it make my life better? I mean, I'm not really, as I think I may have mentioned in the past, I'm not really in it for the money, but I wouldn't mind making a little bit of money just so that Twitch want to boost me on the algorithm, essentially. Because really I'm doing this as a marketing tool. I mean, now I'm making friends with people. So no, okay, so Ghost is saying just don't do it. I'm totally up for listening to you, Ghost. Because I mean, I know nothing about any of this. Like, so I can leverage it. Well, that sounds fun. I'd like to have emotes. Well, yeah, that's what I'm thinking about, getting pushed, yeah. Creates taxes and stuff to deal with. I already deal with taxes, sadly. Also, I'm in the UK, so fuck them. Actually, am I in the UK? Where am I? Yeah, I probably am in the UK. I don't know. So I'll probably need to give them my yeah, because it'll be my UK passport. Yeah. So yeah. I don't know. Well, Ghost, you've now. I mean, that big no. I'm feeling pretty no-y about that. The IRS. The IRS don't care. I don't. The IRS aren't an issue for me. Luckily. HMRC. And no, they I already have a fantastic relationship with HMRC because I talk to them all the time anyway. So I'm not too worried about that. I don't mind paying taxes. I like paying taxes. Actually, I'm very liberal and left wing. I'm a big believer in taxes, which I know is not a terribly American idea, but I like it. So no, I don't mind giving them. I mean, it's slightly annoying because it means I'll have to slightly recalculate my income tax. But I mean, if it gets to the point where I actually have to recalculate my income tax for any sensible, oh god, it really is, yeah. Then frankly, it's a win. I mean, if I'm getting to the point where I'm actually earning enough that they'll care, then then I'm earning some money, which is nice. I mean, again, not really in it for the money, and I genuinely mean that. Oh. So was it the profiler that was problematic though? I don't know. I don't know. It's okay. It's a bit ugly though. Why is it all jerky? Oh, Claude, what do you got to say about that? Well, that seems to have worked. In test mode, an actual dev build seems to have all the jank. Well, In the old days, I would have said it was worth it, Celts, because you had things like trains that ran on time, but you don't really have that anymore. You used to have such an amazing infrastructural system in Germany. I was so envious of Germans about 15, 20 years ago. You know, your trains actually ran on time. Um, it might be genuinely. It's definitely got. It's got debug back. It's got debug flags on for sure. Can we actually set that into debug? But it only works. It only activates on test mode. I don't think you're right, but whatever. Gate specifically on development mill. I don't know. I think now we've got the easy play fixed. I'll probably use that 95% of the time. So maybe I should get rid of the dev build completely and only make a prod build to test that instead. Then we would go with option 2, yes. To be honest, the DB is leaking money yearly, so the blah 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 blah. Yeah, you did just stop making pennies, yeah. Okay, fine. I did something, but just reordered them. So maybe that wasn't correct. Oh god, there we go. Now all sense of efficiency, not efficiency, the other word, productivity is gone. What's up, Fox? I want to see a strange ad. I've just been waiting for you to come and completely derail me. I was literally saying about 5 minutes ago, well, until Fox turns up, I might actually be able to do some work. But now that moment is gone. And I'm not. I'd like to make it very clear. This is not a complaint. I adore your destruction. I think I actually remember this advert. Wow, it's a lovely art style. I mean, it was a different time. Oh dear. Oh well. So what have I done? I've achieved absolutely fuck all, I think. What am I doing? Who's in charge? So Fox, what have you been up to? How's your mood today? You were quite grumpy yesterday. And I completely understand why. I'm not trying to belittle your grumpiness, but I'm hoping you're feeling a bit more chipper today, or at least a bit more in charge of your own destiny. Agency, people. It's all about a different agency. Side eye. Is that like a stink eye? Is that like pink eye? Is that like aye, captain? I am the captain now. I am the captain now. Stink eye, side eye, I am the captain now. I'm probably not allowed to do that voice. But it's alright because I speak Somali, so that's my Somali accent. So it is okay. That's a lie, I don't. Now I'm trying to gaslight you as well. I'm a bad person. Now what's this doing? It's not a development build. Is it a development build? I don't know. Build and run. Build and run on local machine as opposed to where? On my hat? Am I Intel or ARM? I think I'm Intel. Don't auto-connect the profiler. Right, here we go. Oh, I do like it when you lick me. I think that, I mean, you are licking me, aren't you? I'm okay with being licked. I mean, I'm not, you know, that's great. I just want to clarify. Yeah. I'm going to get me a main server. I do have main servers, you know. I've even got, like, other things. Like a headache. But, no, I've got things like... Oh, is everyone licking me now? Oh, am I getting licked from all... Oh, you guys. I'm very excited about this. I got, like, exactly. My servers, they, you know, they don't let me down. You know, my servers serve. And, oh, God. Can I say that? The world is full of dangerous and scary things. Hang on, where's this bloody game? Oh, here it is. Poop, poop. Okay. No. I think... Oh, why is there nothing working? It's even shit now. This is so annoying. Oh well. Whatever. It'll be alright. I'll work it out at some point. I hope it's just my computer. It's usually just my computer. Development build. It's not development build. Get rid of the development build. Boink. No, go away. Build and run. Live builds. New folder. New folder. Builds. I'm really sad this doesn't say porn somewhere. That would have been really funny. No. Builds. Alright. And then we're going to have new folder. Dev. And then we're going to have another new folder. Prod. There we go. He can be taught, people. He can be taught. Alright, this one. Right, off you go. What are you waffling about? Oh my god, I'm getting so much lickings. That's a lot of licking. Oh, which is my favourite licker? Does that say sad piano things? It does say sad piano thing. It's my song. It's a sad piano thing. It's not for Radical Penguin. It might be for another game I'm making, which I haven't started making yet, but I've got the idea for. So aftershave is literally, it's not just a suggestion. It's actually a law punishable by death. Because I did suspect that might be true. Are you sure that's not just in Denmark? Or is that kind of a global, sort of globally accepted law? Why did it keep stopping? I'm trying to watch this football. Stop turning it off. Oh, Spain just scored again. What a surprise. God damn it. I just want someone not obvious to score a goal. Are you building? Spain with no S is... That's too clever for me, Fox. What's shave with no S? I used to edit a magazine, and once we put in the words previous balls have... we meant as in kind of, you know, kind of dances, like a ball, like a posh dance. Previous balls have been held in blah 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 blah, and we forgot a space, so it became previous ball shave, which I think is one of my favourite typos I've ever committed to actual paper in those days. This was long enough ago that there was such a thing called paper. Oh wow, yeah, well they've taught their child well. Oh god, can we go back to that child when Belgium scores, please? What lack America? Spain with no S. What pain? What ball shave? America is a ball shave. What are you waffling about? The cat sat on the mat. The ball shave sat on the ball shave. In other news, is this actually running? Come on. No, it is still bloody awful. Why is this bad now? No. Oh, for fiddlestick's sake. Oh, that's fun. Oh, look, it's actually a game now. Okay, right, that's it. This is going up on itch, and you can all like it. I've actually just accidentally built a production build. Why is it so janky? I'm interested if other people are having jank. Oh, I suppose this is why you do things like playtesting. Right, people, who wants to playtest my stupid game? Because it kind of works. I mean, it's rubbish, but it kind of works. I mean, I want the graphics to look better, but it's kind of... Oh, there you go. I've made a game. I mean, it's shit, but it's a game. I mean, it's not a shit game. The game's fine, but, you know. It's clunky. It's clunky. It's a clunky monkey. No? Where Linux builds? Show me the penguin. Show me the penguin? Show me the penguin. Where's my penguin? God, you're so forceful, not Chris. It's very exciting. Right, what am I showing you? Oh, come on. Show him the penguin. Boink. There's the penguin. There, sir, is my penguin. The Linux build is on its way. Like, if you want to play it on Linux, you're going to have to compile it yourself. Because to punish you for using Linux, I'm going to put it up as something with a whole bunch of dependencies you don't necessarily have on your computer, so you'll have to install them in whatever bloody, you know, platform you're using, distribution, and then you'll have to, and then I'm going to rewrite it in C. So you have to use a make file, and then you'll enjoy it. Why dynamic? What? Not Chris. Why is my penguin dynamic? As opposed to... I can't even see the word dynamic. Am I being dumb? Am I being dumb? Not Chris always turns up and make me feel... Oh, that one. Because it is? Because it... I don't know, gravity? What difference does that make? If you've just broken everything... I still haven't quite got the hang between... Because it can hit things, whereas kinematic things don't say. Yeah, but I don't have a game like Angry Birds. Yeah, that's... no, that is definitely not Angry Birds. Boink. That is quite fun. I mean, I would call that a cheat code. Why? Nah. Screw it. No. Undo it. Boink. Let me. No. I'm listening. There's a fundamental. No. Go. Go on the Discord. I've got a Discord. Hello. Oh my god, you're in the Discord. Oh my god. Can I hear you? What's going on? Are you there? Oh my god! It is. I not Chris. This is insane. Yeah. I'm talking to not Chris. Yeah. Oh, Angry Birds. Sure. Yeah. Okay. Uh huh. No. Sure. Mm. No, absolutely, in any time. I mean, I think what happened? What was annoying is the build was working fine. But the kind of play mode where you press play at the top and you just kind of, the play test mode, I suppose, that was really janky. So then I got into the profiler and I managed to get the editor profiler, and I found it was something to do with some freaking, I don't know. What was it? Well, yeah, no, I mean, yeah. So I was getting rid of that, but yeah. So it was this Direct 3D11 stuff, so it was Direct 3D12, and Direct 3D12 made like the play test really janky. But now I've turned that off and swapped it with 11, and the playtest is now absolutely fine. But when I build it, now that's really janky. So I mean, no, I haven't. Is that something I can do? So not Chris, because not everyone can hear you. Oh wait a sec. Do you mind if I share your voice as well, so everyone else can hear what you're saying? You'll get some feedback though. Is that also okay? Um, just because for everyone else it's probably a bit odd just to hear one side of this conversation. No, I haven't set it up yet, so I've just got to put it in Discord. And Discord.
You probably want to then mute your normal mic, I think, input channel so you don't get double your vocals.
I think I've already done that. Can you say something, not Chris?
Check 1 2, check 1 2.
Okay, that should be okay. I think you and I are about the same now. So hopefully, I mean,
Nice,
someone
yeah.
let us know if they can hear not Chris as well, please. Fox, say something.
Check 1 2.
Do you guys?
Yeah, I know. Real gamers on Vulcan, right? Oh, sorry. So I just want to relay what I was saying earlier, just so I can get some confirmation in chat from anyone else. But just to really recap real quick.
This is insane.
So Drunk Old Man's in a dynamic body right now. Now, to my understanding, I know it can vary depending on game, but for the complexity of his game, I don't think it merits a dynamic body. I think it should be a kinematic body. To my understanding, dynamic body is when you really need like 2D physics that are controlled by forces. Not to say that this penguin can't be controlled with forces, but I think as a kinematic body, since you're only adjusting rotation and essentially position and velocity, you could just have it do it with that, and then because oftentimes having a heavier physics system in there that uses the dynamic bodies, and also just like very like discrepancies between using fixed update versus update or other things where that logic could be kind of like uh not performing the way it should be. Like I think that could be the culprit for kind of the jittery experience you see sometimes. But I just wanted chat's input on that too. But I just want to chime in
No,
there
no, no,
because
no, no,
I
no.
wrote
Sure,
down
no,
your
no. I
guys.
mean, I hadn't even considered it, to be honest. I mean, I think I am concerned that it's probably more of a bug than anything else because, like as you say, like it is literally one object, and my computer is not shit. So I mean, it
Well, I wouldn't
should,
say it's necessarily a bug because
but surely it should be able
or I
to
mean,
handle
well, a bug
one.
with
It's the
Unity
only
or whatever,
it's the
but
only dynamic object on it. I mean, surely it should be able to handle that, shouldn't it?
well, it should be able to handle it too, but we have to consider a few things. Like you have to consider the world physics, which is probably not an issue. That's pretty standardized, but you have to consider like some things about the body too. Is there an external drag being applied? Is there angular velocity issues? Are there, physics materials conflicting? It looks like the jittering happens when you do the kind of angle change.
But what's interesting is
So
it
I don't
doesn't
know.
happen in the play mode, which surely should be like it's fine here. Weirdly, and surely this. I mean, this definitely because it's got the editor loop and all sorts of stuff. So here it's running
'Cause-
nice and smooth. Like there. I mean, I don't know if you can see it because of all the the issues
yeah,
with.
well, I mean,
But
I
that's
wouldn't
as
be
smooth as you like.
considering.
And when I profile it, the profile is fine now that I've sorted out this business with the. I mean, the editor loop's still a bit tasty because it's doing all the idle work and stuff like that. But I mean, essentially, it's all well within tolerance now. But only when in dev mode. When I actually do a production build, then suddenly everything becomes. And that's just what's really odd about it is that that seems to me very very backwards. That
Well, I
and
don't know.
that's
Go to
so
your build then
yeah. I'm going to a build
and
now.
check. Yeah, I'm just curious to see like what options you have.
Oh well, now it's actually running quite smoothly. Oh, I forget that I can't just click around
Mm,
it. I mean, it feels slightly
is
like
it
it's less smooth, but it's a lot better than it was earlier, actually. So maybe I'm just.
Oh no, there's frame skipping. Something's going on with the frames. It's definitely something between update and fixed update. It shouldn't be jittering like that. It should be smooth as hell.
You can see it. You can see it even over Twitch, can you?
Percent I can see it's super jarring.
Yeah, yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah, it is exactly. Yeah. So
Like
but
it should
I'm not
be.
getting that on.
Well, we have to consider you're playing in a higher resolution. What if you shrink that down and play it at the same size? Does that make it more visible? Maybe it's just being masked by the small resolution in play mode.
Oh, oh, what?
Yeah,
Huh.
it's still happening in play. It's happening here too. I see it. The frame skip. And that I only recognize it because I've made a bunch of platformers and have dealt with that sort of thing.
That's interesting. Yeah, you're right. It is even there, isn't it? But like when I turn the profile on, there's no obvious issues. Oh God, why is everything
My
so
okay, so
complicated?
now that I know you're using a dynamic body, I just want to confirm, and you can check on this
Yeah.
too. I don't know how hard it is to confirm, but as far as your player goes, you want to make sure everything's happening in fixed update and that you're using fixed delta time whenever you need to use the time delta. So in your code, I would definitely, I mean, you already have interpolation and continuous collision detection on, which is good. But yeah, that choppiness is odd, and it doesn't seem. It seems like physics. It doesn't seem like a rendering thing.
No.
Um,
Well, this seems
well, let's see. You have the
unnecessary.
yeah. So the rotation shouldn't be an update there. That's one thing.
So where should that be? Should that be in fixed update?
Yeah. Well, in addition, like
Well,
someone
just
in chat, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure you apply the rotation. to the body, the rigid body, not the is it the transform? Let me double check real quick.
No, what? So just because something's working doesn't necessarily mean it's working correctly. If you see what I mean.
Right,
I'm
one
just gonna
second, just
shove
double
the
checking here.
fixed up there and see what happens, just as a freaking. Let's see what
Oh,
that
I
does.
see. Interesting. So in general, just check that real quick. I know you don't like docs, but see
No,
how
I don't mind dogs.
rigid body has the has a move rotation method on it specifically. So like I don't know if it matters if you're moving you're affecting the transform, which is fine for normal game objects, but you have a rigid body, so I don't know if it matters. But here I see an example of them setting the rigid body rotation. Um, I'm just double checking. Let's see. Yeah, so if you use move rotation, it interpolates the rotation, making it a little cleaner. I'm just double checking. I mean, I don't know exactly from your code, but you could use this as a reference for your AI to like, you know what I mean? Be like, oh, I want to
I
do it
wrote
this
all
way.
this stuff myself, so I'll do this myself. No,
Yeah,
I
let
was
me.
only using the AI to do some really boring maths, basically.
Oh,
But it's
okay.
just I've just been
Well,
doing that for
you
3 weeks
can.
now, so you've like because I've done
Yeah,
the same
yeah.
maths in 53 different ways. But I'm finally happy with it, I think. But
But you get what I'm saying though, like how it like might not be like it
mm-mm.
might be like visually, yeah.
No,
Okay,
absolutely. I
so
mean, this is one of the first things I wrote. So I mean, like,
yeah.
but okay, but I am confused.
Okay,
So
so
yeah,
let's see there where it says time dot delta time. That
yeah.
should be time dot fixed delta time.
What? And oh, what? Because it's
Yeah, so it was right when it was in update, but since
sure,
it's
sure,
in
sure, sure.
fixed update, you need yeah.
Well, let's see if that does anything. I mean, I do feel that some. I think I've got. The problem is that I mean I'm a complete amateur, so I think well amateur. I'm just a complete beginner. So I think there's many. I think there's possibly multiple things coming together.
Yeah, for sure. But I don't know.
But
We
I'm
can at
not
least
sure what the
target.
like. You know, and some of them are probably easily ironable out, but some of them might be absolutely fundamental. And the sooner I fix them, the better. You know what I mean? Like some things are just a bug, but like
Yeah, I'd
other
consider this
things are like
fundamental.
fundamental. You know, architectural problems. I mean, this still seems to be a bit jerky. But I don't know.
Indeed. It is. Oh, it's happening. I think whenever it gets to a new segment, maybe.
Well, that doesn't particularly surprise me because there's a lot of maths to be done there. But I can deal with that by uh
Can you do me a favor?
yeah.
Do you hide all the caverns and tell me if the movement feels jerky then?
Oh, what?
Because we're
Just like
using that as the frame of reference, right? So if that's causing jankiness, then we know if it doesn't look janky without it, then you know what I mean?
yeah, maybe. Can I? Doink. I need one of them because otherwise we get in trouble. Oh god damn it! Why do I always do that? So, and I can't do it. All right, that will take a bit longer dicking around with my. Oh, actually, maybe it won't because I can just change the number of layers I've got. Where do I put that? I've forgotten. Dee 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 dee. I think it's in here. Background layer count equals 0. Right, so hopefully now, at least, but I'll still have the heroes. So let me get rid of the
Right.
heroes. Blah, blah, blah. Where did I put it? Chunk, scheduler, no chunk product, is it? Yeah, the hero sprites. Where did I put them? I put them in here. Yep. Sprites, so catalog into D, so let's just say 5 for float W width. Oh, let's just scroll that. How about that? Boink. Right. And that. So hopefully now I'll just have 0 heroes. 0 heroes! That rhymed on purpose, people. That's why I'm a professional Twitch streamer now. Did I tell you not, Chris, that I'm now a professional Twitch streamer? I've got an affiliate.
Oh, nice. What's that, like 30 plus followers and then an
25.
average of like
Yeah.
Oh nice, it's still like an average of 10 viewers though or something. Or average of 5, I forget what it is.
Yeah, something like that.
I still see caverns.
Oh, did I get rid of it? I thought I got rid of the caverns. I did get rid of the caverns, didn't I? No, maybe I didn't. Maybe I'm being stupid. No,
You saved it?
Yeah. Oh, maybe it gets on. Maybe there we go. Yeah. I forgot it was also in there. Oh. That does look smoother, doesn't it? But there is
no,
still a chunk occasionally, isn't there? I think you're right. It's on the chunk. Yeah.
We want to get rid of everything except penguin and the pink if possible. Or even just like just the penguin and maybe like a line. I don't know. Or basically we just want to see if the penguin movement by itself is like we want to isolate penguin.
Yeah, but it can't, can it? I mean, like, what the hell, man? Alright, let me see if I can work that out. Wait a second, something's pinging me. What's pinging me? Something's going plonk plonk in the background, but I don't know what it is. Is it Unity? No? Twitch? No? Oh, I think you really upset Fox that you're not some kind of cute anime girl.
I mean, you don't know that.
I knew that. Alright, well, anyway. Fine. How on earth do I get rid of all that crap? I mean, it should be. Okay, fine, because I'm going to get rid of everything. I need to undo that as well, because actually that's just a pointless number, because it's set by the serialized field. So, where do we actually... Darkening overlay? I mean, could it be anything to do with that? Just, I mean, while I'm removing things.
This late update thing is kind of interesting.
Yeah, that was not me. That was Claude. Which I don't fully understand. This is to do with the chunk This is to do with that, the hero stuff. And it thought this was the best way to do it. And it had opinions, and I was just like, yeah, alright, fine, because I just wanted to actually get it to work. But yeah, I'm not convinced by this personally. But I don't know enough about Unity.
Can you just comment out everything inside of late update, not the function itself, but just everything inside of it?
I think then we will find... I see what you're saying. That's a good idea. Because that's only going to affect... Yeah, that's a very good idea, because I think that will only affect graphics. I don't think it affects anything to do with... But it'll probably crash out, but hopefully not catastrophically. Oh. Come on. Let's see. It still feels like... It does look occasionally like the penguin's a bit janky there, doesn't it? And that looks better. Still feels a bit. Let me put it in the build mode as well.
Inside.
Oh yeah, why not? Totally interesting. Well, thanks so much for joining me and helping me out.
Okay, I see.
You do?
Right.
Come on. There we go.
All right. Can you try something else?
Yeah, sure, but oh, and that still looks, yeah, no, that's definitely less smooth than I would expect. But you're right, the rotation seems to be problematic for it.
Yeah. So if you go back to the player rotation.
Uh-huh. Oh, shall I keep that commented out, or?
No. Well, actually, yeah, for now. If you go back to the player,
Mm-hmm.
well, you're gonna remember that you commented it out. Yeah, it'll be
Yeah,
good.
yeah, yeah, yeah. It's all
All right, so
clear
here,
to me.
target, we have RB linear velocity. Okay, one sec. Stay on that method down there. Just scroll down like just a smidgen. Yeah. All right. All right, you're using force.
I don't know. None of these things are
Can you just grab that line of code and just paste it to me in Discord real quick?
What, this one here on line 35?
Yeah,
Or...
the fixed update method.
Sure. Is there a way to paste code into Discord?
You can wrap it in the backtick, but it's kind of annoying to get the
Okay.
syntax. So,
So actually,
paste
you'd
it.
rather just have that. We'll have both.
Yeah.
Oh, hello. I've got a direct message. I don't know what that means. Pending. Oh, it's you. Hello. Yeah, you can be my friend. This section could be better. Yes, it could. I'm in it. Aren't I? Man, I'm learning so much. This is crazy. I mean, if nothing else, just how cool Discord is.
Yeah, for sure. One sec. I'm just trying to see.
No trouble at all.
Oh, I see.
Hmm. Hmm.
Something like this.
Uh-huh. You think this will be better?
Well,
Let's have a look. Sure.
I can't guarantee it.
No,
I would double
absolutely
check
not.
though.
Boink. What did you do anyway? Well, this is
So that's just the
exciting.
whole fixed update. So
I'll just run
I
it and see what
think
happens. I'm fairly sure it doesn't
right.
contain any dangerous code. Unless you're a hacker of the highest order.
No. Yeah, so I think this should move the rotation correctly. Let's see though.
You know what? That might be a bit better.
Yeah, I don't see it like I don't see the frame skip.
No. Let me do a proper full build, because it's the full build that really concerns me. I mean, like, I don't mind if the test builds are a little bit dodge, but... Hey, Myasura, how are you? I'm not a drunk penguin. I'm the drunk old man. This is the radical penguin. Oh, hello. That all looked a lot smoother, didn't it? I'm going to put everything else back in and see what happens. Because that did look a lot smoother. But how on earth can that make such a difference? That's madness. Oh, where was it? It's all in here. Bonk.
Well, that's just the player. I think the late update thing too needs to be considered. So see where you're doing it in late update? You're updating the caverns and stuff.
Well, I was. I'm not anymore. I don't think. Yeah. Oh, I still am.
Well,
Yep.
the thing we had commented
Yeah.
out
Yeah.
before in late update. Yeah, so late update is running on a different timer than your normal update and fixed update, right? So like
Oh yeah.
it's when you say interpolate on another object, it's gonna try to match or like you know like like linearly interpolate like lerp it to the other time. So if there's like a too big of a call in late update, it won't align correctly, or it will cause like a stutter as it tries to catch up. So I'd say like maybe copy that late update thing and ask your robot if it
Yeah. Yeah.
thinks that it is problematic, because otherwise it would be an update, normal update.
Oh yeah. I'm asking it right now. But while it does that, I'll reload this and see how it looks now that we've got the. So yeah, no, because I'm aware that the different updates, but I thought late update ran after every update.
But it's
So is it not part of the same cycle?
determining it
Essentially.
based off of a thing on a different timer. I still see a little bit of juddering, I think, when the level changes, but the rotation looks better. Yeah, so let's go to where the late update. Can you just, for yucks, just change it to update instead of late update? I'm just
Sure.
curious.
Yeah. Absolutely. I mean, that's not hard.
And
I mean, I
it's
don't
a free
understand why it would
change.
be there because I don't
Well,
understand why it would
I
be.
find every day that I don't understand many things that just seem how they are every day. I don't know.
No. I don't understand
Make-
why it would be like why Claude would have thought it needed to go in late update because I mean it's just basically running. Is that feeling smoother or is it just my imagination? No, there is still a judder occasionally. I mean the maths isn't that complicated, is it? I mean it isn't, and I've gone to quite great lengths to make sure that it does it in. I mean it's two pass rather
you
than
switch it
one
now?
pass.
Can you go back now and switch it to fixed update?
I mean it's certainly not just F. I mean I was I mean, that I explain why you would do that because I know that that's meant to just be for physics. So like
Because we're not super sure, and it's one
it's
of the
just
other options. And
okay.
it's
So
easy
we're
to
just
test.
experimenting. Okay, fine. Feels similar.
Indeed. So it's specifically in the generation of these of the caverns and stuff.
Yeah. I wonder.
So I would have then I would ask the robot to confirm that this won't cause any, say it's just causing jittering,
But yeah.
and then
Yeah,
paste that
I don't
fixed
trust this
update or
stupid thing.
paste the late update logic into it and then ask it if it could cause the jittering, because another way we can look at it too is if you unpause it and look at it live but in scene mode and scene view, we could check to see if the background is jittering there too.
Okay, so what do? I kill, play maximize, play focus.
So let's go back to scenes. So while you're playing, it should be playing still, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So then go to your, let's look at it while it's doing this and see what it looks like.
Oh. I don't know what I'm looking for really, but I mean it looks better on there. Wait a sec, I've got a debug thing. Wait a second. Debug. If you follow, boink. Alright, so now we should follow the penguin in scene view as well.
Interesting. All right, go over to your camera, actually.
Which one?
Sin machine.
Oh, sorry. Should I still be playing?
No, you're good. Go to science machine.
Oh, Myra, you can join now. Science machine, yeah.
Let's see. And then
just
go
type
to
exclamation Discord if you want to.
On your main camera. Sorry, on your not the sign machine, but the main camera. Let's check the brain at the bottom and how it's updating.
The what, sir?
So if you go to the bottom of on the inspector on main camera, yeah.
Yeah.
If you go to the sin machine brain, there should be like some update stuff in here. I just want to check it. So it's smart update right now?
Smart update and late update, yeah.
Wait, where's late update?
It's underneath. It says blend update method.
Oh, interesting. Can you try fixed on that?
Okay.
Or normal?
Yeah, fixed. It says intended to be used only when the update method is also fixed update.
Well, the update method should be fixed update now.
The update method is smart update. And the blend update is fixed now. And it says the blend update should only be fixed when the update is fixed.
Well, it doesn't hurt to try.
What, put them both as fixed?
Why not? Let's try it out.
Fine, let's see what happens. Don't know. What do you think? Do you want me to make it bigger?
What the F is going on here?
I know, yeah, welcome to my world. Like, everything, if it can break, it does break. It's why I'm so good at coding. So I've fixed I've fixed every problem that's ever existed because computers hate me. No, if something can go wrong, it will. I literally have a reputation for it.
Let's go back to your code where that late update thing was.
Was it? Yeah, that wasn't it.
No, it's fixed. Switch it back to late.
What did I do to the penguin? Oh yeah, we changed that in the fixed update. Yeah.
And
oh, it's saying something about camera follow, weirdly.
Yeah. Wait. Can you comment out that late update block again? The content's not the method.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Yeah, and then now let's test it out.
Okay. So Chris, just while this is loading up, or not Chris, sorry. Is it like, do people often kind of hang out, kind of just chatting on Discord while streaming as well? Is that a thing?
I see it on some streams, yeah.
Because I'd love to be able to hear people rather than just having to type at me. I mean, I know that it's not so good for my, That is still janky as all hell. Well, I don't know. It feels like
Indeed it is.
You agree, yeah? I'm not being, like... Yeah. No, I mean, the frame rate's appalling. Yeah, the frame rate's absolutely off the charts shit. But there's nothing problem in the profiler. What? Oh, what the hell, man. Oh no, now the profiler's having a complete nervous breakdown again.
Are you...
Yeah, look, the frame rate's like 30. What the hell's that about?
Alright, can you change this body to a kinematic body?
Sure. Penguin. It's all in the editor loop though. Again. Alright, yeah. A nice low 30 frames per second.
Yeah, look at that.
So, like, and here's the profiler.
Something with your mood.
Oh, hello. And now it's completely settled. Oh, it's because it's not doing it. Alright, yeah. I mean, it's like, look at that judder. There's no reason for it to be juddering.
Can you paste that whole file for me?
What, the
The
whole
player
penguin
one?
file? Sure.
Yeah.
Into Discord, yeah. Is that good enough?
Yeah, it's good. Thank you.
No, thank you. Oh, that's the underwater zone. Sorry. Did you mean the penguin file? I'm sorry. I pasted the wrong file.
Oh yeah.
That's being dumb. This one, that's the penguin. Oh, my message is too long. Up, you bum. Okay, fine. So I'm getting the free trial. Oh, but they're going to ask me for my credit card. Oh, God. No, I can't, is the answer to that. Not easily and quickly. What the hell, guys? Seriously? No. I'm sorry. It's not letting me because apparently I've overused my. In fact, can you even still hear me? Or have we been kicked off as well? Yeah, but it looks like we've been kicked off as well.
One sec.
Oh, sorry.
How does your camera follow the player?
Yeah. It is in. No, not there. Where is it? Lock camera. Oh no, but that's what it's called. Blah blah blah. I don't know. It uses this
Okay,
this
so it's probably
Cinemachine
just in.
extension, so I don't know where. I don't know how that works really. Final references.
Wait, what do you mean?
It's I don't know. It's like a Cinemachine extension that kind of just sits on top of it. Again, this was one of the first things I did.
Oh no, wait. Yeah, don't have this. We can just set the Y position right in the properties of the camera. I would say. Where's this even used?
This is I don't know. This is Cinemachine's extension. I don't know. I found this on the internet. If I'm honest. And at that point, I just wanted to be able to follow it, so I wasn't too desperate, and it seemed to work.
Okay. Yeah, could you just like comment this file out real quick?
Sure. What, the whole thing, or just the
Yep.
the worky bit?
That whole thing.
The whole thing. Alrighty. Like that.
Entire file, contents. Yeah.
Yep.
And then go to your sign machine camera.
Hmm. Excuse me. Sorry.
You're good.
Yep. Yeah, and that's what I was using.
All
It
right,
was
so
this.
player
Shall I just
penguin transform. Okay, good.
Yeah, turn off the
And
script.
then oh yeah, so you can get rid of the script. And then on the camera position, there should be like constraints. Here, let me look. See the hard limits?
Yeah, I'm just wondering about the Cinemachine Pixel Perfect as well, but yeah.
You have, I mean, you need that, the pixel perfect one. I'm just gonna set all the filters to use near neighbor.
Okay, that's just a thing.
See the hard limits will that can help lock the Y, I believe, but it doesn't really matter now. We just want to like eliminate anything that could be fucking with the camera.
Sure, okay. I'm with
So
you. Yeah, yeah.
we can just like play it like this. It's gonna follow your penguin anyway.
Still seems jerky, doesn't it? Could it be the thingy bobs? The
Wait.
particles? No, it can't be. Like, what the hell's going on? This is lunacy.
That is interesting though. It's not centering on the penguin. Oh, do you have an offset then? Go back to the sign machine and check to see, is there an offset on the camera then?
Well, there is in the thing we just cancelled out. Yeah, there's offset 0. Oh no, that's no, only the size hard limits. Target offset 0, damping 110. Is that maybe a problem?
Maybe. I don't think so though. You could turn on look ahead though, might help with some of that.
Bit of
Click look
smoothing.
ahead. Just like maybe ignore Y. I don't know what this does, but I'm just looking at a few things that I know. So
No,
just
sure.
try this.
Huh.
Yeah, it shouldn't be jerking like that.
It really shouldn't. And I mean, 30 frames per second seems ridiculous. And each frame is taking 25 milliseconds, which is ridiculous. I mean, it's not doing anything.
Zach, can you go back to your player movement logic again, I guess?
Hmm. I mean, there's very little there. I mean, that can't be. No. And that's all just maths. That's all just maths. That's only running, that's only running, that's only running.
Okay, one sec.
I don't think anything below there could potentially be doing anything terrible, but I mean, I'm happy to be.
Can you try maybe this fixed update?
Yeah. How do I? No, I don't want that.
Is it penguin?
No. Yeah. Oh, wow. Doink. Yoink. For the penguin. Yeah.
For the penguin, yeah.
Oh, bye-bye, penguin. No, definitely jerky as all hell. I mean, it is going very fast, but
What in the world? Wait, were you able to control it?
no, it just plummeted.
Where's the logic for controlling it?
In there usually, depending on spacebar interaction, adds a force. Yeah, yeah. So I was clicking that.
Oh, one second. I'll be back shortly. I
Yeah,
gotta
no
go
trouble.
for like 10 minutes.
Okay.
Here,
Thanks.
sorry.
No, don't worry.
No
See you in a
problem.
bit. Huh. Well, I don't know what to do, really. I'm confused. Not Chris is confused, which is nice, because it means I'm not being a complete moron. So yeah. So I don't know. I don't know what to do about any of this. I think literally well, I don't know what's going on. Huh. Well, I'm confused as usual. Um, you can, but I'm trying to work out why I have such a non-smooth experience. A profiler occasionally. I did not try any art. Well, this is very disappointing. It was happening before that as well, though. Although it may not have been the penguin. Just at that stage. So maybe I should revert and start again. But in short, the terrain was... In short, it just wasn't... It just didn't feel smooth as the penguin moved through the terrain. It was actually better in the play test mode and the prod build mode. In other news, hang on, what? What? Uh, 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 hmm. Let's keep the debug config change and the D3, D11 changes for the moment. Commit them separately in case we want to revert either. Then we can reset all other changes and investigate the interpolate. Wow. Excuse me. I'm not sure what they're doing. Hmm. Yep. Well, this has not been my most fascinating, I think. And I feel bad about that. I also think it possibly might be time for me to start thinking about going to bed. Penguin game object prefab. Penguin game object. There's no prefab. It's already in DevLog. That was incredible, that business with... Project settings time. Alright. This is all so mad. Where would I find application target? I've rebuilt so many times you wouldn't believe, my friend, but whatever. God damn it. Am I gonna have to restart? I'm gonna have to start again from the beginning, aren't I? Core rebuild, tick. Timestamp, time step, tick. Where target frame rate. Where would I find that? Full screen. that. I have also noticed that when the penguin is in free fall, it seems better, although it's fast, so hard for me to be certain. And the jerking seems to happen when I hit the spacebar. It also seems to give the hero sprite colour boxes, sort of smeared a sort of, what's one for, motion blur effect, but janky, not smooth. Right, well, let's see if Clever Clogs here can work it out, because I'm certainly very confused about what the hell's going on, as usual. I should definitely be nicer to my error, I think. Which model am I using? Oh god, I wonder how much this is costing me. Okay, thank god for that. Hello, Fox. Oh, I'm sorry you can't sleep. I'm sorry that not Chris and I went off on a bit of a boring thingy. Sadly, we don't really seem to have got terribly far. It's quite annoying because it does look janky, and I mean, he's quite right. There's no need for it to look janky. This is not a complex game. Oh, God. Parallax focus is assigned to the penguin transform. What are you up to then? Just watching, or are you doing other things as well? Are you watching some TV, or are you just watching a bit of Twitch? TV, you know what I mean, like, I don't know, like anime on Netflix or whatever, or like, you know, other streaming services that involve peer-to-peer networks are available. You know, I mean, like something that's been made to be consumed with your eyes, that is not interactive. A purely passive form of entertainment. I believe there's these things called films as well, I don't watch them myself. I used to love films, and then they all got shit. Well, call me arsehole. Oh, emo man. Yeah. I'm pretty emo. I know I don't look it, but I'm pretty emo. What? Ooh. What would you be getting first? What would be top of the list? We should have like a movie night one day. That'd be fun. Oh dear. I'm getting sleepy. Yeah, I'm not very good at sleeping either, if I'm honest. It's not my strong point. That's why I stay up so late. I mean, it's 5 o'clock in the morning here, and I'll regret it tomorrow, but then... I don't think that's really helped, does it? Oh no. Ah no, this is completely broken to all shit and it's really upsetting me. No, I'm with you on that. I tried watching, what did I try watching? Oh, I don't know. The one on Apple TV about people who had a job where they couldn't remember it. Oh, for crying out loud. Well, my brain is completely buggered. You know, single word. Directed by Ben Stiller. Usual sort of nonsense. Anyway, the first season was really good. I enjoyed it a lot. And then it just went pulled a full lost. And it's just like, yeah, no, we fuck you. This doesn't make any difference. I don't know why. Like, Hollywood just doesn't make, like... There just doesn't seem to be any art anymore, you know what I mean? There's no art. Everything's just designed to make money, and it's like, oh, people like that, let's now turn that into an 8-season thing, which is just all filler and just permanently asking questions that will obviously never be answered. It upsets me. It is not clean. And the control also is now very different. Well, I'm glad you thought you'd worked it out, Flawed, but you hadn't. It was, sadly. No, obviously it wasn't doing anything, you numpty. But I do wonder... But maybe the, I have my moments. What did you do? I don't think it's going to work, but it's worth having a look, isn't it? I really need to get more into animated stuff. You're going to have to, like, can we do movie night on, like, on Discord at some point? That'd be fun. I want to be edumacated. I want to be edumacated hard. I'm going to educate you, boy. I'm going to educate you hard, boy. That's what you can say to me. Can you, is that allowed? Are you allowed to share stuff on... I'm not sure if that's actually... Why is the frame rate 30? What's going on? No, this is complete lunacy. I think it has made it. Sorry, I've got lost again. I don't bloody know. It's my fucking Blu-ray. Yo, bar shorty, it's my Blu-ray. Let's party like it's my Blu-ray. Doopy doopy doop boopy doo doo. Doopy doo doo motherfucking Blu-ray. Yeah, I'm sure we should be able to do that. It seems to be. But annoyingly, I don't know, it seems to make it feel slightly less, I think we should have that first, but that's a different matter. That is not what I intended to do. Oh, what the hell? Come on! Oh, what the hell, man? Oh, somehow I fucked that up. What's that? Girls and Panzer. Oh yeah, I like Girls and Panzer. Is that... Please tell me that's what I think it is. I mean... I can't even say the words I hope that is. Somehow they can make the same change again, this time with the Force edition. The Force edition. At the beginning of the fixed update. So go on, tell me. Give me a potted sequel that won't get me cancelled. Girls and Panzer. I mean, it must be what I think it is, isn't it? Absolutely. Absolutely. Well done, girls. That's wonderful. Yes, please. I mean, it just looks absolutely glorious. Ah. I mean, what? Okay, yeah, why not? Let's do it. This is brilliant. I don't think this is going to help, sadly. Not what you're saying, this. That's just wonderful. Discord link. You know me, baby cakes. Discord, look, I'm a professional. I know, but spell it correctly. Are you not on my Discord? Fox, how very dare you. Join my Discord. If you spell that correctly, it should tell you where I live. Because I don't know where I live. Yeah, you see? I still don't think this is really helping, annoyingly. For some reason, my FPS is still absolutely up your bum. Right, let's build it and see if that helps. Come and say hello, come and say hello. I'll say hello. Bing bong. There's a general chat. I've got a lounge. You can join me in the lounge. You can say hi if you want. I don't know how to get out of the lounge, so I mean, that's a thing that's definitely happening. I genuinely don't know how to leave the lounge. Well, whatever, it'll be fine. Boop. I don't know, is this better? I mean, it seems slightly better. Oh, hello. Target frame rate. What, in this project? In Thingamybobby? Doesn't look like it. Narp, 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 narp. Oh, Sticky Man, hello. Sticky Man, Sticky Man, Sticky Man, yo. I'm assuming that's you, Foxy. Claude had several ideas, none of which particularly useful, but I think this one was sort of interesting, that the spacebar was immediately doing a thingy. So I actually suggested I'd like to make it clear. That should be an else if, because if it is keyed, but it doesn't make any difference. I do think it has made it a bit smoother, so I do wonder if it is actually to do with the I think it is something to do with penguin movement, in short. Go to play mode. Hello, Fox. Yes, Fox. Yes, yay, yay. And see if that VSync. Go to play mode in the bobbins here. And see if that VSync control is on. You might have to take me through that slightly more like I'm an idiot. So, go to play mode. Display mode? Just press the button. Oh. Pousser le bouton? Yeah, okay. I don't know where the VSync thing is. Top left in play mode. Okay, fine. God, once again, am I being stupid? I know I am. It always really upsets me when I'm being stupid. Oh no, maybe in the scene. Fox, I desperately want all of your cute little anime things. I want a waddling chibi. I mean, it is better, I think, actually. Actually, I think it is better. But occasionally I still do get the jerks, but that might be on the... I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to do your thing that you suggested earlier, not Chris, and actually turn off the old check disk. Oh, Discord. Right, sorry, with you. Oh, sorry, yes. Hello. Right, oh my goodness. Game. Huh? Done? What? I have a very different experience from you. Scene. Game. Display 1. Oh, right, and the thingy-bob. Okay, I'm being really, really stupid. VSync. Okay, right. Yes. With you. God, sorry. I mean, even stupider than usual there. Gonna try and sleep again. See you later, alligator. Turn off. Okay, I will. I hope you sleep a bit better, Fox. And my CD drive drunk. Wow. I think that's, if anything, that's made it worse. My CD drive? Yeah, it took a bit of time to kind of get its act back together. That's weird. No, VSync off definitely seems on average quite a bit. Whoa, that's really making me feel quite unwell. I mean, that shows me how much better it is when it's on. But it's still... Oh, it's just not right, is it? It just isn't right. I'm upset. What's my frame per second? It's about 45 at the moment when I'm not hitting the ground. When I'm... Oh, no. 20, 20, 30. No, it's just shit. 20, 33. 30, 35. Oh, 50 it went up to for a moment.
Yeah, well.
Hello. Oh, hello.
William, sorry.
Don't worry. No, you call me whatever you like.
Whatever you like. I have an idea.
Clever. Uh-huh.
So I want to see.
That's such a bad joke. I love it. I've never heard that before. Anyway, yeah.
So I can just see when I was looking at your draw calls that look at it's got like 80,000 vertices over there. See that?
Uh-huh.
That's a lot of vertices, and you really don't have a lot going on here. So I think your best move here to not just like circle in insanity would be to try to isolate your penguin logic. And what I would do, or how I would do that rather, is go and make a new scene and copy your penguin over and only have your penguin running in that scene.
Okay, I see what you're saying. Yep. Yeah, okay, fine. That shouldn't be too hard, should it? He says optimistically. Scene. Okay. Scene. Test. Oops, sir. Oh, come on. What is... It's like my computer's having a complete breakdown. What the hell? Is it nothing to do with my... Is it just my computer being crap?
I think you can edit in... If you just click once on the file name, rather than right-clicking it. I think you can edit it, just click on the text.
Oh, there we go. Right. Not that was particularly important. Right, so now I duplicate the Penguino.
Okay, yeah, so now we want to copy the penguin prefab.
It's just it's not a
which
prefab,
is not
so
in that scene.
I don't
You
think there
can
is a
copy it
prefab.
like you can copy it like this, though typically you would want a prefab that you can use in multiple scenes. But just go ahead and drag that penguin into your prefabs.
Mm-hmm. Alrighty, and then I can just... It really is incredible.
And then let's go over, but yeah, and then we'll go back to test. It'll probably ask you to save the scene. Yeah.
Alrighty, so then we put the penguin in it. Job done. Yeah.
Well, we're not done exactly because we do need to confirm on the right hand. So if now you click on the penguin, let's see if there's any missing dependencies on the right. If you scroll down, you probably have like a penguin controller on it, right? And you can just uncheck the particle system temporarily too.
Okay. How do I... It doesn't have a tick.
Oh yeah, look at that. Just uncheck play on awake. It's slightly down. It has like a little icon next to it. It's down in,
Oh, yeah, got it.
in the settings.
Mm-hmm. All right, should we give
For
that a
now.
go?
Well, is there, see your player input there?
Uh-huh.
There's a component called player
Yep.
input.
Mm-hmm.
Is there anything missing there?
I don't think so. We got the penguin, we got the send messages, which I think is how it works.
All right, yeah, let's give it a go.
I have to say I've slightly forgotten that was months ago now. But it should be okay. My memory is being slightly spammed by, well, Unity, I suppose, but, no.
Oh, we need a screen camera.
Yeah. So again, shall I just copy that across?
Just add a new one and just set the follow target for now.
Cinematic camera. And just tracking target is the penguin. Oh, well, there we go, there's the penguin.
Right.
Oh. Yeah, well, it didn't deliver that very much. But the frame rate was still down at 30.
Sorry.
I did note.
Yeah, I think maybe something changed in your rendering settings and there's like a target frame rate or something. Unless you have VSync still checked on, is that true?
Yeah,
So
I do now,
remember
yeah.
a bit ago, here, can you do me a favor and
Mhm.
just create a new mono behavior script for this scene? We're gonna call it
Yeah.
I guess
That's actually now a decent frame rate. But it's not doing the physics, but at least, okay, fine. So, okay,
so let's
yep.
well this is related. So we're gonna make a new mono behavior script and you can just call it like game or call it like a game manager, I guess. Or
I've got
something
one called Game
or
Manager already, I suppose. I'll just
app
call it-
manager maybe.
So I say what?
App manager like APP.
Uh-huh. And it steals... I don't remember exactly how the syntax works, so you'll just have to bear with me. Boink, boink, yep.
I just sent you a DM on Discord with the example.
Okay.
You don't need to change anything, but you can see there you can set then in your inspector whether to use VSync, and you can also set a target frame rate, which doesn't lock it, but it will tell the application, oh, I want it to be around this. And in your game, you could just say like 60 FPS or whatever, and that would be like reasonable probably for a pixel art game. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, absolutely. I mean, I think it is set to 60. I've got that written down somewhere, but I forget where. But alright, why? Did you say you sent it in Discord?
Well, it
So
just
not-
seems dubious because we didn't see any instances of the method name you would use to set it in
Yeah, no,
code,
I think
so
it
that's-
was in... Oh, I can't remember. I'll just believe you in, like, wait a sec. Chat, there we go. Where did you send the thing, sorry?
Oh, sorry. So I sent it to you just directly instead of posting it on Discord.
Oh, I'm sorry, I see, yeah. Okay. Can I copy that? Alright. Boink. Boink, boink. Do. Yeah? App
Yeah, it looks good to me.
Yeah, and then attach
So-
it in here.
So you actually don't need to. Well, yeah. Okay. So make a game object in here. So this is a singleton. So if you were to change scenes programmatically, it's gonna persist, right? So it's like it won't get destroyed. And it's usually have like one file that manages your game that doesn't. I think we went over that before, but you have like a singleton that won't get destroyed. It's like cross-scene script.
Target frame rate is here, 60, yeah?
Correct. So now
That's set. I guess you could use VSync if we notice it doesn't do anything or whatever.
Right,
but
well, we
it's
can
just an
fiddle with it
idea,
and see what
by the
happens, yeah.
way. I'm not. I don't have like. I'm not. I don't have conviction over it.
I don't know, it's just so odd. This whole thing is so odd. Yeah. Well, it's kind of around
why don't we
60.
Can we go back to your? Oh, let's go to your play because we changed some things. Let's go back to your player prefab, not in the inspector, but in your hierarchy over on the left and in the scene. So yeah, up there.
Uh-huh.
And then we changed it to, so it's dynamic, so it should actually be working. Do you know what's up with that?
Are we getting any console errors? No. Could it be conflicting? No, that doesn't seem likely.
I think it's on the player. You have an input controller because.
Let me see how I'm using it on the other one because maybe I'm being dumb.
Yeah, yeah.
Penguin. No, it's exactly the same.
Well, you do have an input thing there. What's that say? Are any of those filled out? Yeah, so you have a player. What's that say?
Yeah, player none send messages. I think it's the same on the other one.
But what's the actions?
Actions.
Yeah, the thing
Yeah, in here.
Well.
Yeah, I got
One sec, 'cause
that on
I'm
the
a
other
little-
one as well, I think.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, let me check. So, well, I'll just copy it. But I'm fairly sure I
Oh,
did.
it might be because we changed it to be kinematic.
I think I moved that back. No, I moved that back.
Well, yeah, well, I know it says dynamic now, but the logic I think assumed it was kinematic. We'll just try that and see if it does any difference. But player input is toggled on. You have it.
Yeah, it's the same shit.
Yeah.
So
yeah, let's try that.
Yeah, try it.
Well, I mean, it's on dynamic right now. You said.
Yep. Nope.
Really? No.
Also, the frame rate's absolutely through the floor again. Weirdly went. Oh, no, is that relevant? I think that is relevant. It
Well,
seems
look at
to
that.
be much
It's
worse.
Look at the allocated memory is 6 gigs.
And that's just for this scene, is it?
I don't know. Look at down there in the bottom right.
But that is just for what we're doing, like literally this scene, yeah? Because yeah, like now we fixed all that vertices and try. Yeah, absolutely.
Well,
maybe it's the input thing. I don't know. There's something very fishy going on here because like when I spam the spacebar, the frame rate seems to go down. So yeah, now it's kind of 40 plus, 40 to 60. And then when I spam...
Well, player's falling into oblivion right now too, so it's not really a good gauge. I'd hit stop and also, why is the camera... Can you see the penguin on the screen?
I can, but only on the y-axis. It's not on the x-axis as well. Oh, but hang on, because the Cine Machine is just tracking targets to penguin.
That's fine. And then if you go down... Oh, position control, change it to follow. Up a little bit. See, it says position control. Down.
Okay.
Yeah. See if that does anything. Should do it.
Well, we should at least now follow it. I'm now following the penguin, but the penguin is definitely falling through space. Yeah, no, the penguin is...
See, we have a rigid body, 2D dynamic. I mean, are the controls working on the normal scene?
That's an excellent question. But I mean, they were last time I checked, but yeah, let's check. Oh, I don't know, probably. Oh god, that'd be so annoying if they aren't. Yep. Excuse me.
And let's see, yeah, dynamic. One sec.
Oh, I know what the problem might be. Is the penguins not getting...
Yeah.
No. Because the penguin is given its shit from here. Because I wanted this thing to... Penguin. No? I'm sure I put it in here. Scene coordinator? Yes, here, penguin speed. There we go. That stuff isn't baked into the penguin. So the penguin doesn't have any flap impulse or anything like that. That's the problem. So we need to feed, but that's being fed through from the zone manager is taking the scenes, kind of these, like because I had so many disparate, like tweaky things.
Yeah. You know what, dude? I'm gonna just. I can't do it right at this moment, but I'm gonna just try. I'm gonna try to do a mock-up based on the stuff I've seen and see if I can just recreate. But I would say like, I don't know. Well, I don't know what's up with the FPS stuff, but I'm gonna just do a little experimentation. But I do have to hop off for a bit.
No, dude, I've got to go to bed anyway. It's 5:30 here in the morning, so I'm really grateful for your help. And please just drop something in the Discord if you get any ideas. Otherwise, I'll be probably just banging my head against this next time you see me. Probably Sunday. Tomorrow, I don't think. I might do a game test. I might do a play test with my girlfriend tomorrow if she can be. Oh no, because we're staying at hers tomorrow. No, so I probably won't be back till Sunday. So I hope you have a good weekend. And thank you so much. I really appreciate it so much. You're so kind.
Well, it's always a good time, man. I'll talk to you soon, alright?
Alright, see you soon. Have a good one. Bye.
You too.
Well, on that note, my lovely friends, if there's anyone else still watching, I don't think there is. I think it's just you, not Chris. So I will bid everyone a warm good night. I know this has been a bit up and down as a show, but I'm still finding my feet. Next time, Discord is going to be professional through and through, and you know it. One day I'll become a professional at something. Anyway, in the meantime, I hope you all have a lovely weekend. As you possibly heard to not Chris, I will probably be back on Sunday, by which point we'll